Globalisation, commoditisation, consolidation, economic, demographic and technological. All of those 6 things is almost like a perfect storm. And if you're an operational leader in a law firm, it's a challenge. Today is all about how we address those challenges.
There are a lot of changes going on in the legal profession at the moment, and it's extremely interesting to see how different firms, different types of practice are coping with the challenges.
Many of the most innovative and large and impressively changing law firms in the world are here, so it's really a quality event to attend.
It's a great opportunity for us to hear directly from clients. We're all facing very similar issues. We're all trying to work our way through it, actually hearing the experience of other people, getting to know other people again, renew old acquaintances, etc. is great.
It's very empowering, I think, to come to an event like this and listen to people speak about things that are very relevant to your own law firm, the things that work, the things that don't work, and hearing how other people deal with them.
I think these kinds of events are really useful in bringing out to a wider audience the experience that we have gained in particular fields, and my view is always sharing what I know with other people and helping them not have to reinvent the wheel.
The sharing of information, you can't put a value to it. It is the most important thing in these sorts of conferences. I think you can get most value when you can be in smaller groups, you can interact with the speakers, ask your questions without the intimidation of a whole forum. The panel in particular, you're not just listening to one person, you have 3, 4 people, different viewpoints, the challenge between those viewpoints, hugely valuable.
We launched this event in response to the increasing number of operational leaders that are being appointed in law firms, being brought in to drive change, to re-engineer how the legal services are being delivered, to drive efficiency, to streamline processes. We're convinced that it is operational leaders in law firms that will define the future of this market, which is why we wanted to bring this event together to support operational leaders in law firms.
A big message we are giving to our partners is better communication, more transparency on costs, more discussion on costs during the matter, more agreement on costs during the matter.
Now is the time to take the message seriously that law firms have to do things differently. The clients are now beginning to change their behaviours and are beginning to demand different things of their law firms. And if the law firms don't step up to the plate, they're not going to retain the trust and confidence of the clients. And the clients have a choice, always have a choice.
We need to get down to the matter of running matters tightly. The old days of more hours are more profitable has got to change.
I think understanding where law firms are and what they're thinking, it helps us to understand how we need to develop our product and really address the market.
Here you've got the opportunity to listen to speakers and to share then your ideas with colleagues and people who are attending this conference.
We were able to have a tremendous amount of discussion, so it wasn't just presentation, lots of audience participation. I myself learned a lot about how law firms are thinking about alternative fee arrangements, how to make proposals to customers and clients. It was a great session.
Peer-to-peer learning is important. People take a lot of things out of the network. People are very cooperative in the legal space, and in coming to these conferences you get those conversations that enable you to go and have conversations away from the environment that are helpful to you.
Often I think you get lost in the day-to-day and you don't sit back and say, what's really most important to my organisation? So a day like today just makes you stop, lift your head up and think seriously about what should be the most important thing you do tomorrow.